Have you ever heard of the Supreme Court? It is the highest court in the United States. It is where the most important decisions about laws and rights are made. And guess what? In 2022 something amazing happened. A woman named Ketanji Brown Jackson made history. She became the first black woman ever to become a justice on the United States Supreme Court. Ketanji Brown Jackson was born in Washington, D.C. in the year 1970. She grew up in Miami, Florida. Her parents were teachers and school leaders who believed in the power of learning. Her dad went to law school when she was young. Little Ketanji would sit beside him as he read his books. She liked to pretend she was reading too. That was when her dream of becoming a judge began. Even as a child, she loved to ask questions and find answers. She read a lot and spoke in school debates. Her parents taught her that she could do anything if she worked hard and stayed true to herself. When she got older, she went to Harvard University. At first, some people did not believe she belonged there, but she did not give up. She studied hard and graduated with top honors. She went on to Harvard Law School and became a lawyer. Being a lawyer is not easy. You have to understand the rules of the law and help people through difficult situations. Ketanji worked very hard. She became known for being smart, fair, and thoughtful. After working for different law firms and helping people in court, Ketanji became a federal judge. That means she made decisions in real courtrooms that affected people's lives. She was the kind of judge who listened to both sides and gave everyone a fair chance. She made sure justice was done no matter who the person was. She also worked as a public defender. That means she helped people who did not have money to pay for a lawyer. Not many judges have done that before joining the Supreme Court. That experience helped her understand people from many walks of life. In the year 2022, President Joe Biden chose Ketanji to be a Supreme Court justice. That was a big deal. She had to go through a tough process called a confirmation hearing. That is where senators ask many questions to make sure she is the right person for the job. She answered every question with calm and confidence. When the final vote came, the Senate said yes. That made her the very first black woman ever on the United States Supreme Court. People around the world cheered and celebrated. Now she wears a black robe and sits with 8 other justices. They listen to cases and make decisions that affect the whole country. Justice Jackson brings a new voice to the court. She brings her life experiences and understanding of everyday people. She believes the law should be fair to all. She believes that people's rights matter no matter where they come from, what they look like, or how much money they have. Justice Jackson is more than a judge. She is a role model. Little girls, especially black girls, can look at her and say, "If she can do it, so can I." She shows that working hard, being kind, and never giving up can take you far. Even though her job is serious, she always finds time for her family. She is married and has 2 daughters. She often talks about how important it is to be both a good mom and a good leader. Justice Jackson cares about fairness. She is careful with every case she hears. She takes time to understand the facts and the people involved. She knows her decisions can change lives and shape the future. She believes in asking hard questions. She believes in listening deeply. She believes in doing what is right even when it is not easy. That is what makes her a great justice. Ketanji Brown Jackson's journey teaches us many lessons. Believe in yourself even when others doubt you. Ask questions and learn as much as you can. Stand up for people who need help. Never forget where you came from. And most of all, use your voice to do good in the world. Now her name will be in history books. She opened a door that had been closed for a long time. Thanks to her, many more black women and girls will follow the path to law and leadership. She is not just the first. She is a bridge for the next. If you like this video and would like to see more content like this, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share with others.